Mavic Mini, finally here. Before we get in today's video, I wanted to say huge thanks to all of the people who have been watching the videos lately. Mavic Mini versus the Mavic 2 Pro video has been the most popular video on my channel, so huge thanks for that. I'm very happy for all the new subscribers on this channel. Yeah, hopefully this is going to be a fun journey for all of us. Let's get in the box, right? It's magic. Alright, so I got the Flymore combo. Today we shall be doing a range test, as well as I really want to check if the manual option for the video is an option. By the way, if you want to see the full review of the Mavic Mini, it's right here. You can check it out. And also, if you want to see what this device can do, there's a cinematic edit as well. I have already done that. So yeah, go check that out. In this video I won't be really reviewing it, I just want to check the range in the city because this is the Central Europe version. So I'll be doing the range test in 3 different areas. I had another question about the charging. In the review I told that you can basically charge it anywhere, and I had a question asking if you can charge all of the batteries with the hub from your computer or wherever. The new 2019 MacBook Air, it's one of the lowest power computers, so if this is charging from this one, it should be charging from anywhere. So let's plug it, and as we can see, the battery is charging. Great. Moment of truth is here. Let's find out if you can manually change the settings. Really? Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed with this one. You cannot change the camera settings in the video mode to manual. You only can change the EV thingy. Hopefully DJI changes it with an update, because I don't see a reason why to take off this feature, because it is possible with the photo mode. You can actually change the shutter. So that's that. But there are good news too. Previously in the review I said that you cannot change the gimbal pitch or smoothness or speed. At first it wasn't possible, but now you can. So now let's charge the batteries of this little beast, and let's go and test that range. See how it does in the city environment. How far can you actually fly? So cute. So the area we are around is like this. Let's see if I can change some settings around. Let's do it one more time. I wouldn't say it has the best range, at least not in such an urban area like this. We'll see. Let's climb a rooftop as well. Maybe the signal is better above the building. As well as we shall check it out at the water area. Let's go to the next location. Today is an extremely windy day, and the water area was just off limits because the wind is too strong, and I found this park place where there's like a lot of open space, but still it's quite windy. Alright, range test Mavic Mini in a park place where there's a lot of open space. Full speed ahead. Alright, seems that the signal is a lot better here. Whoa. Hopefully those birds will let me alone. Okay, so already 160 meters. It's pretty good. 200 meters. So I want to stay away from the waters. Now let's fly backwards for a while. So my height currently is 35 meters and the distance is 270 meters, and I'm still going. The wind is quite strong though. It's yeah, It's very strong. This drone is struggling in this windy day. But well, what do you want from it? It's like so tiny and light. It's actually surprising that it's flying like it is. Alright, so 380 meters. That's about as far as I feel comfortable flying in this situation with this strong wind. And yeah, I have 32% left on the battery, so I'll be going back. So yeah, about 400 meters is the distance you can fly in this kind of a city environment. I think you can push it even further, but like today's strong wind is not working very well with this pushing. And we also have one more location in mind, and that's on top of a building. We'll see how the signal holds up in the city environment above the buildings, so maybe it'll be better. Who knows? We'll see. We are on a rooftop, as we can see the whole rig behind us, and yeah, we'll see how the Mavic Mini does on a rooftop. Hopefully it will be better. Alrighty, great. We have 32% of battery. Okay, whatever. Go. Let's see how far can we go. Hopefully further. And yes, the signal is already getting lost. Okay, it's fine. Oh, okay, it's not that fine. It's glitchy. And the signal got lost in 180 meters. Signal got lost in 180 meters on top of this rooftop, so that's that. Birds seem to be very interested in this tiny drone. Just in time. Check out the clouds. Wow. This is where we at right now. And let's get down. Furthest I got today was about 400 meters in a park, and the wind was very strong. It's not a drone for flying very far away. It's a toy drone to capture something that's around you from above, and it does that very well. You cannot fly very far away in urban environments, so keep that in mind. Even on a rooftop, the furthest I could get was around 180 meters. So yeah, that is my conclusion. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Hope it was useful to you, and yeah, be sure to check out my Mavic Mini review. If you like this video, please leave a like. YouTube algorithm then awards me with more views. That's very cool. And if you want to see more videos from me, then please consider subscribing. That really would be amazing. And if you subscribe, maybe press that bell thingy. Would be amazing too. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.